Why did they all never? Oh, like guys, don't worry. Actually, my friends are a bit. Today, I'm gonna continue on with this how to make a cool Baldi's Basics mod. I'm kind of helping somebody because they're planning to make one of my favorite Baldi's Basics mod currently into a SpongeBob parody. You may know who he is from one of my videos, but I'm gonna show you how to add voice lines. So firstly, need these things: Unity, the actor, Audacity, and Notepad Plus, which I just don't have a. Hold up. Don't worry, I'm doing this for content. Just ignore what I'm doing. Just ignore what I'm doing. And Notepad Plus Plus. These are the 4 programs you may need. Maybe there's another one, but I don't really want to do more. This is actually meant for the one, but this was the easiest for me, so yeah. Now, do what you did with the acid one, which you must have this from the acid one. If you didn't, then go ahead, go back to that video and see how I done it, because actually I'm still gonna do it for you. So go to your Baldi's Basic mod, go to Baldi Data, select everything, like everything. Okay, and then wait a bit. Now go to name that instead of as textures, go all the way down till you see. Wait a bit. Audio clips. Get the first one, which for me is coming from First Prize. Don't take that out of context. And then there's gonna be some people that are minded enough to take that out of context. Look, he just says that because he's a robot that has wheels, so he's obviously gonna move to God, there's so many files. To tone. Now settings, then export audio. Go to your no, wrong. That will you be using this, but not now. Go to your Baldi's base. I just have this as a file and then make a file called mastered audio. It's like that folder and let everything load. I already had that on, so yeah. So now you have your. We'll be using this, so keep that as a file. Now go to your Baldi's Basics mod and go to your audio master. You'll have every sound you should have knew. Now copy it and paste. This will make a copy of it and name it whatever the mod you named it. I will call it mod test. Oh wait, yeah. Mod test sound. And yeah. So go in and change any audio you want. So I'm gonna change main menu. I'm gonna change main menu because this is the first thing you hear, and also I want to see if this even works. Okay, now we're in Audacity. To make another track, so when you click on this, whatever. Anyways, go to make one of these. No, look. Mainly for me, it would start over here, but now when I click it, it will make another one. But if it doesn't work like that for you, go to tracks. This is Audacity, by the way. Go on tracks, add new, and then stereo track. Now make the voice lines. I'm gonna do the normal. This
Welcome
is
to
those
Baldi's
audio
Basics
tests.
in
Woo,
Education and
yay!
Learning.
Okay, now you done that. Now export it as a WAV, non-MP3, non-OGG, a WAV. Now, hold up, this is different files. So yeah, then go to your Baldi's Basics mod sound and then save. It will give you this message, but press yes. Then okay. Then yeah. Now this is where Unity comes in. Now let it load, and this is why you need this file. This file will have the build, which I need to remove some stuff. You need the build, and this file, which will be made when you click on create empty object. Basically, click on create empty object. It will do this, but I already have this, so we're gonna go in, remove every trace. So we're gonna go to Unity. Now for me, if you already have a folder with this, then click on select folder, and then it will load a bit. It may take a while, but it will load. Okay, now it's loading. When it finishes loading, it should open, and when my computer sounds like a hot potato. Now, yeah. Now this is where you need the build folder. See, there's nothing on because you actually need this. Now, now you need your audio test open and then make it smaller so you can actually like. Okay, now it's open. Now it's open. Now if you already had some files in there, like now if you already had files but don't want them to distract you while you're making this, then right click then delete. It will you'll no longer if you had any useful files in there, this can't be undo. So you have to actually do this again. Now go to your mod test and drag the file you just edited. It'll appear like this. Drag it in, then file, build setting. By the way, this is if you want. This is for every. If you want to do more, this will be a good option. You can do more if you want to. This is just a test. Now you need to do PC, Mac, and Linux. Click on build. Then this is where our build folder comes in. Then select file. It will build everything in scene. It'll build everything, and then it'll open the file. Now I already have like a lot of things. Now X, and then don't save because we don't want this. If you want this to be in full-on mod with like voice acting, then don't save it. The audio you put in will save, but not the scene. And plus, if you had some useful things there anyway, so that would be a pretty good option if you don't want that there. Now close Unity, close your mod folder because we won't be able to use that. Now you have the build, and now you need to go to your audio extractor, open, instead of the Baldi's Basics mod, you go to your build. And now you go to your Unity and go to the asset 0. Now you will see a page like this when you open it. Just ignore this and go all the way down to the bottom and then click on that. Now click on the one you just extracted and press export dump. Now put them in the build. This will be very useful. You may see an error saying that it was empty. Maybe because you didn't do the last part where you had to go scroll down and click on the last page. So make sure you do that. That will be very useful. Don't press OK because actually do press OK. I will close it. And you'll be able to use this. By the way, you can close this now, by the way. Anyways, now, now you have this. This is where Notepad++ comes in. Now, what does Notepad++ do? Well, well, if you have multiple files, unlike me, uh, like unlike me, you can actually go select a file. So for this one, you need to just do all of this. Now, if you have multiple files, do not select the numbers. Just select this. But I'll do it if you have multiple. Go on search, then replace. Now it will do this. Click on all in all open files, or replaced if you're doing one. Now press OK, meaning it will be gone. Now do it. I don't know what you can. If you still have that thing open, then you could just Control C, Control V for this one. But I just became an idiot. So yeah, and go down here. I have a lot of these. Go type in sounds, and if you already had sounds, then add a number. And this hashtag means number, by the way. So add a number there. But since this is a tutorial, I'll just do it without sounds. Now replace, yep, and then close this, go to file, and then save all. This will save the current code. Now, now, now close this, and this is where the audio extractor comes in now. This time, you do not, oh wait, hold up, I forgot one. You need to, right click on this and rename. Now, go full on here before the dot. Do not do anything to the name, or else it won't work. Do the whole thing that isn't the sound name, and press backspace or Control X or whatever. Just press enter and then it will save. Now you actually need a Unity extractor. Open this. Do not do it for here. Do it in your Baldi Basics mod. Now go to the file you just had it, like I had it in one for some reason, and open do this and Control C the name. Do not change anything. Just Control C the name. Then the same thing. Do this and that. Go to View. Go to Search by Name. Then Control V this. Now go down. This you don't have to do this for everything, but this is just because this is my version. So yeah, like there's two things for that. So yeah. Now go to Export Dump. Go to your build, and then the build. Then make sure this is the same as the file. You don't want, or else this won't work. Now press OK, and then click save thing, and then put it in your Baldi Basics file, not on the Baldi data. Now, last thing you need to do, go over here to this, copy this, and now you need to go to your, no, wrong one. Now go to your Baldi Basics mod test. Do this as well. Yeah. Oh god, my my headphone just went off. My computer. Anyways, accept the one. I don't even know why I'm doing this. You can just go. Yeah, you can just do that. I don't know why I'm even doing this. Now do this. Control V, and then do okay. Then sounds number. If you have more than one sounds, I don't have more than one sounds, and yeah. And yeah, when you open the file, it should work. This is those audio tests. Woo, yay! And there we go. The audio test has worked. There's also another way. You can still do the same thing, but if you want text to speech, obviously try finding one But if you're specifically doing something like, yeah, this will still work if you do text to speech. You just have to download it from the website if it has that option. Yeah, if you're doing one with text to speech. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like if this helped you, like. And yeah, see you guys next time. And if you need more help for Baldi's Basics mod, always comment down below because I really have nothing to do with my life. Bye.